Something soothing about a rolling pin. Hey, my name's Amy, and today I'm going to teach you how to make chicken pot pies, but air fried. First, you want to flour your surface. So you want to make sure this pie crust is thawed before you roll it out. Otherwise, it'll start to crack and break. Next, take the ramekin that your chicken pot pie will eventually live in and put it down on the pie crust. You want to take a knife and just circle about a ½ inch to an inch around the ramekin. This will be the topping of your chicken pot pie. I forgot to put this on. All right, you're gonna take 6 tablespoons of butter and you're gonna melt it. It's a lot of butter, but use it all. Trust me. Add your onion and saute for 3 to 5 minutes until it's soft. Then add your garlic and saute it for 1 minute more. Next, whisk in your flour and let it brown for 1 to 2 minutes. Then slowly add in your chicken broth, whisking until it starts to thicken. Next, we add just a little bit of cream. All right, now that this is thickened, we're gonna add in ½ pound of a rotisserie chicken. I like this because it cuts down the cook time a lot. Yummy. So you wanna add in the carrots next. I blanched my carrots, which, if you don't know, is literally just boiling them for 2 minutes. It just makes them a little softer, a little easier to eat. No one likes a crunchy carrot, although that's not true. People do like crunchy carrots. In their chicken pie. No one likes a crunchy carrot in their chicken pot pie. There we go. Next, you wanna add your frozen peas. Add your thyme and parsley. Look at that, looks so good. Feel free to do a little taste test. So now it's time to fill our ramekins. So you don't wanna fill these too much because we're gonna put the pie crust on top. So we're gonna take the pie crust that we cut earlier and put it over top of the ramekin. You don't wanna forget to add the egg on top of the pastry, like so. So the next step is to air fry. If you haven't air fried before, it's so easy. It's what it looks like on the inside. Put each of these guys in here. Set your temperature to 360. So now you have 20 minutes to do whatever you want. It's done. Make sure you let them sit for at least 5 minutes to let them cool off. Now for the true test, the taste test. The crust is so crispy.
Cheers.
Cheers. So good.
That is fantastic.
Yes! Thanks for watching Bustle Bites. This has been air fried chicken pot pies. Subscribe for a new recipe every week.